Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financial YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock level 0 on Hamster Kombat. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened the Hamster Kombat, which is basically a mini app of the Telegram. So once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Hamster Kombat apps on the screen. So now you can see there is a hamster at the middle of this dashboard. So if you want to unlock your level 0, so what you can basically do is you simply need to tap on the hamster, and you can see I'm earning from here. My coin is increasing, and you can see there is another option. You can simply tap on the daily reward, which is at the top left corner of this dashboard. So once you tap on it, you can see there is a lots of option to earn, and you'll be able to unlock your level 0 from here as well. So the most easy way is by tapping on the daily reward, which is at the daily section. Daily tax section. So once you tap on it, you can see there is a day 1 500, day 2, and it will be gradually increasing per day. So let's close it and let's get back. And another way is by tapping on the mine, which is at the bottom of this dashboard. So once you tap on it, you can see there is a tons of option in here. So you can hire them, where you can see there is a CEO, marketing, IT team, support team, and you can see there is a lots of sections in here as well. Markets, legal, Web3, and specials. So you can also earn from here as well, and you can also increase your level from here. So basically this is how, and these are the way to unlock level 0 in Hamster Kombat app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on, so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.